Are you trying to figure out how to get your gutter cleaning business to the top of Google search results? Awesome, you're in the right place. If you run a gutter cleaning business and are looking to boost your local presence online, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 7 simple and effective local SEO tips that will help your business stand out and put you on the path to getting those #1 search results. So let's get started. But first, why is SEO so important? Well, if you do have a gutter cleaning service, think about the path for your customer. The first thing they're going to do is pull out that smartphone when they realize they need gutter cleaning service, especially in the spring, fall, or any time of year really, and they're going to search gutter cleaning service near me. Now, only a few businesses are going to show up there in the maps results and in the business website listings. And those businesses that show up, those are the businesses that are going to get 70% or more of the actual customers. So showing up in Google search results for the service that you offer couldn't be more critical for a local gutter cleaning service. So that's why we need to focus on the tips that you should be doing on an ongoing basis. And we're going to talk about the easy ones. We're not going to get into a bunch of technical jargon about SEO. I'm just going to share the practical things that you can do to help boost your visibility to get your gutter cleaning business to the top of Google search results. So let's get started. All right, tip #1, set up and optimize your Google business profile. If you haven't done this already, it's your business's online business card. Make sure to fill out all the details, your business name, address, phone number, hours of operation. Don't forget to add some great photos of your work. Then ask for reviews, get a consistent flow of reviews to it, and keep it up to date. Google uses that to understand your business and how prominent and relevant your business is. The more information and the more up to date that online business card is, your Google business profile, the more likely you are to come up for search results. So keep it fresh, keep it updated, photos and information. Tip #2, this is where a big mistake comes in for a lot of local businesses. On their website, so if you're using Mighty Sites, for example, links below, only $9 a month for a professional website. But if you're using it and you just put gutter cleaning service, right, on your website, you put that all over. Well, that's a good start, but you should contextualize that for Google and for searchers. So people are typing into Google, gutter cleaning near me, or best gutter cleaning service in Denver, Colorado, right? You should have those same keywords on your website. So you don't want to keyword stuff, but instead of just saying, hey, we offer gutter cleaning services, say, we offer gutter cleaning services in Denver, Colorado, right? You just contextualize it for Google by giving more keywords and more relevance for where exactly you are and what your business does. So sprinkle phrases through your website, especially in titles and descriptions, that are relevant to what you do and where you do it. That gives you local keywords. Moving on to tip #3, encourage customer reviews. After a job, ask your customers to leave a review online. Positive reviews not only attract more customers, but they also boost your local search rankings, especially if you have a consistent flow of positive reviews. Think about it. If Google is looking at all these profiles and thinking, okay, somebody just looked for gutter cleaning services, who should I bring up? Google's going to bring up the business that's always getting new reviews and has a high star rating, because Google's going to be like, well, that's probably the business the person is going to like best. So that's what they're going to bring up. You want your business to be that business? Get positive reviews and get them on an ongoing basis. Tip #4, it's all about local directories. This is something called citation building. This is where you list your business in local directories and online business listings. So think Yelp, Angie, Monta, Google Business Profile, Yahoo Small Business. These all help increase your online presence and make it easier for local businesses to find you. But don't list your business in the wrong way. Your name, address, phone number, and website should all be accurate across all of the directories that you list your business on. Tip 5, make sure your website's mobile friendly. Most people use their phones to search for services. A mobile-friendly site provides a better user experience and is favored by search engines, especially one that loads fast, like a Mighty Sites website. Tip 6, get active on social media. Here's all you need to do. Share before and after photos of your gutter cleaning jobs, share customer testimonials, share seasonal promotions, and just talk about things happening with gutter cleaning so you are the expert. Engage with your local community when people ask you questions or interact with your posts, and that's it. That's going to give you a great social media presence, especially if you just do this on Facebook. Link your Facebook page to your Mighty site. And now when people look at your business, they're going to say, hey, they're pretty active. We know they're an active business and they interact with their customers. So clearly they care about their customers and they're talking about relevant things to me, sharing the jobs that they've done and happy customers. This is the business I'm going to choose. And finally, tip 7, build local partnerships, partner with other local businesses and participate with them and ask them for links from their website back to your website. So backlinks on the internet are still important. Google looks at who's linking to you from their website to your website to determine how important your business is. So if you can get local business partners and ask them to just link to your website somewhere on their website, it's great for building your SEO and giving you a bigger boost. I'm not going to get into all the technical parts. Just try to get links from other local business websites to your website. It's going to help you. So there you have it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like it. If you don't have a website yet, that's definitely an important part of local SEO. So check out Mighty Sites. But these were 7 simple local SEO tips for your gutter cleaning business. Start implementing them today, and you're going to watch your online presence grow. All right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. We'll see you in the next video.